Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a install. We're going to be putting the L2, R2, R1, and L1 buttons onto my PlayStation 4 remote. We're going to be using the, let's see here, the Hisunder's aluminum buttons. Here you go, right here. I picked that up off of these up off of Amazon. It comes with your 4 buttons as well as some retainer clips for your L2 and R2 buttons. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And the tools needed to do this is going to be a Phillips Zero screwdriver, and you also need a little flat head. It doesn't really matter what size, but you're going to need a flat head to pry the case apart. First thing you're going to do, you're going to actually use your Phillips Zero screwdriver. You're going to remove the 4 screws on the back of the PS4 remote, so we can get the case separated. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. It doesn't matter which order you remove them. I'm just removing them from the top first and then going to the bottom. All right, now that we have both of those out, we can take the case apart. Just want to find an area to where you can kind of get the screwdriver in, this little flathead screwdriver. And guys, the best place to actually separate the case is going to be up towards the top, right here by the L1 and the R1 buttons. So if you can see right here, you kind of get up into this edge right here, you can snap it loose. Do the same on both sides. Do the same over here. You see it snap loose right there. You just kind of work your way around to separate the rest of the case. Now what I'm going to do here is gently pry around to get it off of the L2 and the R2 button. You want to keep the case like this so nothing falls out. As you can see, my barrier is about to fall out there. So this is the trickiest part. Just got to kind of wiggle it until you get it out. It's fine if your button pops out, it's no big deal. All right, so we're gonna let that just sit here. You don't have to take it completely apart to replace these the L2, R2, and R1 buttons. So you just leave that like that. And if you get the kit, it's going to come with new retainer springs, so you don't have to worry about if you lose one, but I still would keep them just in case you, because they will sling off when you're trying to install them if you're not careful. All right, you just pull the little tabs out right here. See if you can see that on both sides. All right, I got both of them out. As you can see, that's how the retainer clip goes up there. See, I can focus that a little bit. Probably a little hard to see. All right, so we got that button off. Then we got to move forward to the R2, the R1 and the L1. All right, and with the L1 and the R1, they basically just lift right out. So you just kind of got to get up under the edge here, and then you can pry them right on off. Let's see if I can show you on this one a little bit better. So, right up under this edge, get your thumb in there or a screwdriver if you need to. Just pry one side up and then move to the other. Pry it up, and you see it comes off just as simple as that. All right, now you're gonna want to take your new buttons, so you want to install them. So I'm gonna install the R1 first. As you can see, it's got 2 little posts that stick out from there, right here. It's got 2 little posts. You're gonna slide these little, see they have an indentation here. Just slide over the posts. You're gonna slide them in like that, like so. All right, see it's in place. There you go. You're gonna move on to the L1. Same thing on this side, same procedure. All right, there you go. See, L1 and R1 are both in there. They're secure. And guys, it's a little tricky to install these little retainer clips right here, little springs. Basically, like I said, you have to put them on the inside. All right, so let me get this one started. So turn the remote like this towards you so you can see what you're doing. And you know it needs to go on the inside of your button. I already got the L2 installed. So basically you put it on like this. It was kind of hard to see. Put it on like this. You see that clip floating there? Maybe you can see it. All right, once you have it in there, you need to push it back up against the back part of the button like this. All right, and then you need to hold down on the back side of that spring, and then insert it into the groove that it needs to go into. Definitely a little tricky to get in there. All right, there we go, guys. I got them in there. I'll try to focus on how they go in. See, you might be able to see it from this angle. You should be able to see that clip in there. That's the groove that it needs to go in on both sides. Once you get that piece in there, the back side is going to push up against this button. That's what makes it return to its home position. I know it's a little tricky to see, but hopefully you can gather what you need to do from there. All right, now last thing is to do is put the case back on. Just go over each button like so. Make sure your battery's in the right position, which it is. Just snap that case back on. It's a little tricky to get it over this first little hump right here. Get it over there on both sides. Like so. All right, and once you snap it inside the buttons, that's the hardest part. Once you get inside those buttons right here, this little part of the plate of the controller, the face plate, or the back plate. Once you get this groove between those two buttons, then it's going to lock straight in, and then you can go and put the 4 screws back into your remote. That's what we're going to do now. As you can see, the buttons are working here. All the buttons are working. All right. So now we're going to put the 4 screws back into the remote. Alright guys, it's all done. As you can see, the L2, R2, R1, L1 are all working. I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. If you'd like to see a video of me actually installing the front buttons right here as well as the thumbsticks, please let me know in the comment section down below. And like I said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it helped you install these buttons on your remote. If I wasn't being clear or descriptive enough on any point in the video, please let me know in the comment section down below as well. And I'll catch you guys next time.